Still some visions of the moon off to the east over Minnesota as we head into the evening hours. Clouds are on the increase. A cool front is moving through and there'll be some changes to talk about. Today's temperatures, though, very awesome, particularly where we see these greens we saw near 40-degree readings. That was Jamestown, 46 there, 42 in Devils Lake, and Langdon, 43 degrees. Walhalla area picking up some beautiful weather as well. A few 30s across much of the area. But look at this. The 40s sprung into Lakes Country, and Bemidji had 40 degrees for a peak reading today. Presently, we do have temperatures holding on to 30 degrees as the clouds are on the increase. Our wind is still from the south, so that cool front has yet to make it through the FM area. Moorhead, by the way, 34 at your airport. Here's the current location of the cool front. It's making its way towards us. Ahead of the cool front, we have south winds. We stay with the mild flow. Now notice the temperatures behind the cool front are warmer than over here. Not a big burp of cool air heading our way, but we will notice a change in winds and clouds. Clouds are on the increase out to the west. The radar, though, very quiet as we look off to the west, so not creating a lot of precipitation with this system. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows this evening the clouds will make their way into the valley, and that wind shift happens in Fargo, and it becomes westerly as we go into the 10 o'clock hour. Out in Minnesota, south winds will remain and your skies will be clearer. Therefore, temperatures will have a chance to cool a little faster. As the clouds build in, we cannot rule out, you see these little blue blips here on our future radar. We can't rule out a spotty flurry or two as we go into the overnight hours. What we will notice is the winds become gusty. Overnight, 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts from the north and northwest will take hold. Low clouds and some patchy fog will be possible along with that renegade flurry. That's how we start out your Wednesday. And then through the first half of the day, the cloudiness starts to migrate out, but the winds will remain. Temperatures will cool off a bit behind the cool front tomorrow. Northwest winds will make it feel wind chilly, as we'll see most areas in the 30s, but it'll feel like teens to around 20 degrees for much of the afternoon. The evening looks very quiet with the clouds out of here and the wind decreasing. That means a cooler night as well. In Fargo tomorrow, temperatures will be in the low 20s. We'll ramp it up only to the low 30s with wind chilly conditions. Have that coat handy. Northwest winds gusting to 25 miles per hour. The evening looks like decreasing clouds and temperatures slipping back into those 20s later in the evening. Now I look at your hometown snapshot. This is at 3 o'clock when you're getting ready to head home from work. On the west side of Hutch's White Line here, the freezing line, we'll have temperatures in the low to mid 30s and a lot of near 30-degree readings, so cooler for most of us. Speaking of cool, how about seeing one of these? This is a young bald eagle in the Duluth area. Kim, thanks for taking time to upload awesome and majestic photo. Thursday, improvement, mid 30s in Fargo, a little warmer out to the west. Friday and Saturday, though, Mike, we are really in a December treat with temperatures near 40 degrees. Now, we get a little cool off on Sunday, but there isn't even really a snowflake in the 7-day potential. So we look off into the middle of next week after Sunday's cool down. We rebound, and the middle of next week looks delightful as well. That gets us into the second full week of meteorological winter without nary much in the way of winter weather. So knock on wood if there's some close by, Mike, because I'm enjoying this.
And so am I. Thanks so much.